So here it is, guys, the Ford Performance 1.5 leveling shackles for a 21 through 23 Ford F-150. I highly recommend lowering the spare tire. Other than that, it's self-explanatory. I will probably make a video on how I did it. I recorded a few clips, but for the most part, this is the finished product. The truck drives pretty good. I noticed it eliminated the slight vibration hitting little bumps. People call it beam shake, and that's minimized. I haven't driven it enough to notice if I need shims or not, but I doubt it. This is a two-wheel drive. I don't see why I would need shims, but here it is. I'm happy with it. The drop is not drastic, but it does make a big difference on how the truck looks. So if you guys are planning on doing drop shackles on your two-wheel drive single cab F-150 and don't want to slam it, I mean, this is an alternative. So I'll do a walk around. You guys can see for yourselves and see if this is the route you guys want to go with on your stock truck.